For many people, cooking and cleaning are not their favorite activities. So if you want to make the chore of dishwashing a little less painful, you'll require the right kitchen tools. The most important tool you can have is your dish drainer and rack. Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. We've designed a free pattern of wooden dish drainer and rack for woodworking enthusiasts. You can download the free PDF pattern for scroll saw cutting and SVG, DXF file for the laser CNC cutting. If you like this pattern, then give us a like and please subscribe to our channel to get the new content. Thanks for watching.